What if happiness is not something you chase, but something you create through purpose, balance, and daily living? What if the secret to a meaningful and longer life has already been discovered by some of the happiest people in the world? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Ikigai. This inspiring book explores the Japanese concept of Ikigai, often described as a reason for being, the thing that gives life meaning, direction, joy, and motivation to wake up every day. The book combines lessons about purpose, health, simplicity, mindset, longevity, and emotional well-being. The central message of the book is this: a meaningful life is often built through purpose, balance, relationships, and small daily habits. The authors studied people in Okinawa, Japan, one of the regions known for longevity and healthier aging. Many of the people they observed shared similar habits: strong social connections, purposeful living, active lifestyles, emotional resilience, and simple daily routines. According to the book, having purpose gives energy to life. One major lesson from the book is this: people who know why they wake up each day often experience greater fulfillment and motivation. Ikigai is often described as the intersection between what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what gives your life meaning. Reflect on activities that make you feel alive. Identify strengths and passions. Build a life aligned with meaningful contribution. Purpose creates direction. Stop expecting instant transformation. Long-term growth comes from repetition. One fascinating lesson from the book is this: many people who live longer and healthier lives remain mentally and physically active. Avoid becoming emotionally or mentally stagnant. Growth keeps life meaningful. The authors observed that community and connection strongly influence happiness. Supportive relationships improve emotional resilience and reduce loneliness. Another important lesson from the book is this: simpler living can create more peace and clarity. Modern life often creates constant distraction, pressure, comparison, and unnecessary stress. Reduce unnecessary mental clutter. The book also highlights emotional resilience. Life will always include challenges, uncertainty, and setbacks, but purpose and perspective help people recover emotionally. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people spend years chasing success, but forget to build a life that actually feels meaningful and emotionally fulfilling. This book reminded me that happiness is often found in small routines, meaningful relationships, personal growth, and living with intention every day. If this message resonated with you, comment "Find your Ikigai" below as a reminder to live more intentionally and create a life filled with meaning and balance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in happiness, personal growth, purpose, or emotional well-being today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.